Oh, it's an ice cream store.
Welcome to Ice Cream for Ice Cream. What can I get for you?
Can I get a cup of strawberry and blueberry ice cream?
Sure thing, Shrek. Here's your strawberry ice cream, and here's your blueberry. That'll be $2, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Can you help me eat this ice cream? I don't have any hands.
Sure thing, Shrek. I'll start by feeding you strawberry ice cream. Get one big scoop. Say ah.
Aw.
Let me give you some more strawberry ice cream. You're good to go.
That was delicious. Now it's time for blueberry ice cream.
You got it. Here comes a giant spoonful of blueberry ice cream. Say ah.
Aw.
Let me give you some more. You're good to go. Shrek, your teeth look weird. Can you open your mouth? Oh my gosh, Shrek, your teeth fell out. And it looks like some of them are rotten. We need to get you to a dentist. All right, Shrek, we're here. Open wide. We're going to use this mouth mirror to take a closer look at what's wrong. Okay. You have some rotten teeth and some teeth that are missing, so we're going to have to replace them. Let me use these tweezers to make sure your other teeth are okay. These are good. And these are good too. Okay, let's start by removing these rotten teeth. Now this pink one. All right, we need a drill to remove this Bluetooth. And we're going to need the drill for this pink tooth as well. Perfect! Now use the tweezers to remove them. We're almost finished. Now we have to insert Shrek's new teeth. Here's one. And two. Bottom part is finished. Now let me do one final check to make sure everything's good. Excellent! Now let's work on the top part. Here's the first one. And the second one. Do a final check on top. Awesome! Alright, Shrek, you're back to having healthy teeth. Make sure to brush your teeth every day so you don't get cavities. I don't want you coming back here with more rotten teeth. Okay, since we talked about brushing your teeth, the last thing we'll do is that, and you're good to go. You're all set. Have a good day.
Thank you, Doc. I'll make sure to brush my teeth every day.
Well, this was a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to watch more. See ya soon.